welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. In today's video we are going to brighten the skin. We're going to get rid of dead skin cells, we're going to get rid of blackheads and whitehead. We're also going to get rid of dry skin. What we're going to be doing, we're going to be exfoliating the skin. This exfoliator contains antibacterial properties, which makes it also great for acne prone skin. Not only that, this exfoliator will help to reduce wrinkles and fine lines on the skin. If you're looking for fresh looking skin, if you're looking for clear looking skin, if you're looking to plump that skin up and give it this nice dewy look to it, this recipe is for you. Now, before I start the recipe, if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, look below, you're going to see the word subscribe. Just hit that subscribe button and you will be subscribed. And don't forget to turn on post notification on your phone or whatever you watch us from, so that each time I upload a video, you will get a notification right away. The little bell you hit first and then turn on post notification. Now let's get in the kitchen and start whipping this up. Today I'm going to be using some petroleum jelly, and petroleum jelly is a humectant that helps to lock the moisture in the skin. Petroleum jelly will help your skin to look fresh and hydrated. You can choose to use it standalone or you can choose to mix it with other ingredients as I'm sharing here today. So I'm going to be using about a teaspoon of the petroleum jelly. And the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to melt the petroleum jelly. To melt the petroleum jelly, you can choose to just start mixing it to soften it, or you can place it over a double boiler. So I'm going to place mine over some hot water. Make sure the water is to boiling point. And then I'm going to continue to mix it in the bowl. This is going to melt that petroleum jelly really fast. Just soften the petroleum jelly. Now while the petroleum jelly is melting nicely, take a look. We are going to be using some olive oil, and I'm going to use about a teaspoon of the olive oil. Pour this in, 1 teaspoon of olive oil. And we're going to mix this in the petroleum jelly. So we're mixing petroleum jelly and olive oil. Mix well. Totally dissolving the olive oil in the petroleum jelly, which is amazing for dry skin. Now once this is done, we are going to add a special ingredient to this, and this ingredient is going to help to brighten and lighten the skin. Now take a look at my next ingredient. Here I have some baking soda, and baking soda will help to get rid of grease and dirt from the skin. So I'm going to be using about a teaspoon of the baking soda. Pour this in, and remember, baking soda is sodium bicarbonate, and we are going to just blend this in our petroleum jelly and olive oil, and we are mixing well. This is going to help to exfoliate the skin. This is going to help to brighten and lighten the skin. So far we have petroleum jelly, olive oil, and baking soda. Now we're going to add our final ingredient to this, which is basil. And basil have antibacterial properties that will help to clear blackheads and whiteheads and also get rid of acne on the skin. But it also contains vitamin C, which is wrinkle fighting properties. It's an amazing ingredient to use to wash your face, whether you're using it dry or you are using it fresh on the skin. So add your basil, which is about a teaspoon of the basil leaf, and mix well. Now once this is done, we're going to remove this from the hot water. Take a look. This is it. This is what you're going to use to exfoliate your skin. If you feel you need a little bit more granules, go ahead and add a little bit more baking soda, but you really do not need to. And you need to use this ASAP while it is still very warm. Other than that, it's going to get back thick and you might need to melt it again. So let me show you how I personally use this on my skin to clear pigmentation, to hydrate the skin, to lighten and brighten, and also to get my skin to look clear and fresh. So here we have our petroleum jelly, baking soda, olive oil, and basil. And now I'm going to use this to exfoliate my skin. I'm just going to apply it all over my skin like this. I like to just pack it on my skin. And then I'm going to take my hands and I'm just going to use it to exfoliate my skin. It feels really, really good on the skin. I know it's not going to clog the pores. You're just going to exfoliate, and you can feel that granules from the baking soda exfoliate the skin. And regardless of your skin type, you could actually try this. Because we have the baking soda and also the basil with the antibacterial properties this can have to transform your skin. However, if you have dry skin, this one is for you. Normal skin, this is for you. So you exfoliate, and this one you're not going to let it sit on the skin. You're just going to exfoliate your skin with this for about 3 minutes or so, just working it on the skin. You have a lot of blackheads on your nose, just exfoliate. And it's also good to take this down on the neck and décolleté. This is good for wrinkled skin. You have a lot of wrinkles and fine lines on the skin. This will help tremendously. Do not let this one get in your eyes, because it do contains a bit of a granules. Now once you totally cover your skin with this, then you are gonna rinse this off. I suggest you rinse this off preferably with some room temperature water or some warm water. So when you wake up in the morning and you have a special occasion to go to, you can actually use this on the skin. It's going to give your skin that plumpness, that glass-like look that we all like on the skin. That glass-like appearance that we also desire for our skin. And also when you use this on the skin and you wear makeup, it allows your makeup to just glide on the skin and give you that perfect foundation. And there you have it, such a simple but effective remedy that you can use on the skin. Now I recommend that you use this at least 2 to 3 times per week for best result, especially when you're just starting out, when you just start to take care of your skin and you're looking for fast result, fast effective result. This one is for you. So go ahead, whip it up, mix it up, give it a try, guys. And guess what? After a week or 2, come back and leave your comment. And if this is your first time watching, don't forget, if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, look below. You're going to see the word subscribe. Hit the word subscribe, hit that little bell at the side, so that each time I upload a video, you get that notification right away. You don't want to miss on these amazing videos showing you how to take care of your skin, to transform your skin to look younger, and also to give you that natural, healthy, spotless glow.